Hello friends, this is Tuhin and today I will tell you about ZEISS IKONTA camera. Let's start the video. ZEISS IKON's top product line of folding medium format cameras were batched IKONTA and were generally of superior quality when compared with corresponding folding camera models of ZEISS IKON's later product line. ZEISS IKONTA. It was launched in 1929. They were offered in four models A, B, C, and D. The A, B, and C size took 120 film. The A, B, and C produced negatives in 6 into 4.5 format, 6 into 6 format, and 6 into 9 format, respectively. The IKONTA D produced larger negatives on either 116 or 616 format film, respectively. There was also a baby IKONTA which used 127 film. The first series of IKONTA were also labeled 520. The IKONTA A, B, and C were also 520, 520 by 16, and the 520 by 2. Around 1938, the 520 series gave way to the 521 series, which added a shutter release on the body and a double exposure prevention. Only the A, B, and C models continued. In the early 1950s, the 523 was launched for the B and C models. A chrome top plate with an integral finder and an accessory shoe was added. The 524 series added an uncoupled rangefinder and was also called the Mesh IKONTA. Howard Nerwin designed the IKONTA 35 for 35mm film. It was a viewfinder camera. Nerwin created versions with rangefinder, the Continuum with separate optical viewfinder, and the Contessa with a big optical viewfinder plus superimposed super IKONTA like coupled rangefinder. The IKONTA 35 and the Continuum were soon renamed to Contina and Contina 2.